Hello guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password. You can see here my phone has been locked due to forgotten pattern lock. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. In this video what I'm going to give you, I am sure that your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but watch this video till the end, only then your smartphone will be unlocked. Okay, further in this video I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should not be less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charged at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this video, then take help of my upcoming videos, or you can also take help of my older videos. Okay. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by the fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. Now, as you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network, Wi-Fi network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network is on. So firstly, I will have to switch off all the network from my smartphone. So how will you switch off your all the network? Simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this airplane mode or flight mode to close all the network. Okay, now after activating this airplane mode, you can see here my phone's Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network are switched. Now my phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. It's also known as engineer's unlocking method. Okay, so before going to the unlocking method, one more thing you will have to do with your phone. The main thing is that all the background running application, your phone's all background running applications should be closed before going to the unlocking method. But it's not possible. Generally it is not possible. When your phone is locked, it is not possible to close all the background running application. But there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close all the background running application when your phone is locked, and these type of secret codes update within 2 or 3 days. So if this secret code what I am going to give you in this video is useful for you to unlock your smartphone, then it's okay. Otherwise you can also take help of my upcoming videos for the next secret code to close the background running application. Now you can see here there is a pattern lock of my phone. Okay, now you can also see here there is an option of an emergency SOS, or it's also known as emergency call option. So simply you will have to click on this emergency SOS option, and when you will click on this emergency SOS option, you will get a dialing pad like this. Now the secret code what I am going to give you to close all the background running application, you will have to feed this secret code here. And recent secret code to close the background running application is *000, then *8763, then *999, then #. You can see here this is the secret code. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code, and at the first time when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. You will have to do the process 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times continuously, it means all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method, or it's also known as engineer's method. Okay, so after this you will have to clear your call log like this. After clearing this call log, you will have to feed a USSD code which is used to go to the master unlocking mode. Okay, and this USSD code is *899, then #. Now you can see after feeding this secret code, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is after sales page. It's also known as master unlocking page, or it's also known as engineer's page. Okay, now you can see here there are lots of options on this page. You can see here, but all the options have the specific function. You don't have to go with any other option on this page. Okay, in this video I will only give you the method to how to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password. So after this you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. You can see here After this, you will have to click on the software version, and when you will click on this software version, you will get a new page like you can see here, software version page. Okay, and you will also get an option of a model. Your phone's model number is showing here IMX3471, but you don't have to go with this option. You can see here second number option is showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 10, 11 or 12. And if your phone is showing here Android version 12, it means you will have to click on this Android version option 12 time. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13. It means I will have to click here 13 time on the option of Android version continuously like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the first process of unlocking method has been done. Now after this, you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test above the software version you can see here. Now you will have to go with this options, manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is assembly test project you can see here. Now there are three type of options showing on my phone display you can see here, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. After this, you will have to simply slide your phone right side, and you will have to reach to the option of other, which will comes end of the slide. Okay, now you can see here this is the end of the slide, and you have reached to the page of other option. Okay, now you will also get a 5 type of option on this page you can see here. The first option is showing here screen backlight test, the second option is showing here read write important lock test, the third option is showing here key status. Now you can see the fourth option is showing here mainboard version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, but both the option have the same function but the different names, but don't worry about the name. After this, you will have to simply click on this mainboard version or database version 9 times continuously like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the second step of unlocking method has been done. After this, you can see here there is an option of a read write important lock test at the second number you can see here. Now you will have to go with this option. You will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this read write important lock test, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this option. At the first time, you will have to cancel here. Again, you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. 3 times continuously, you will have to cancel this option. But at the 4th time, when you will click on this option, you will have to confirm this with the OK button. Okay. Now after doing this OK confirmation, it means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now you don't have to do anything with your phone. Okay, now the very last step I am going to give you, and it's most important to unlock your smartphone, so don't skip any step. If you have skipped any step, it means your phone is not going to unlock and you will have to watch this video again. And the most important thing before going to the unlocking method, the most important thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed. Okay, now after this, you can see here I will have to slide my phone left side like this, and I will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging option has been appeared on my phone's display. After this, I will have to go with the option of a sensor self-test and calibration option. Now you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number you can see here. Sensor self-test and calibration option showing here. Okay, now you will have to click on this sensor self-test and calibration option, and when you will click on this sensor self-test calibration option, you will get 2 type of option, 3 type of option, or you can also get a single option. But don't worry about that, all the options will be showing there. Operation not started, you will have to simply start these operation. Okay, now I am going to click on this option to start these operation, and you will have to continue clicking on this option until you get a single test passed message, because to unlock your smartphone, a single test passed message is most important. Okay, so I'm going to click on this option. You can see here test has been started but test failed. The second option, test has been started but the second option got test passed, and the third option you can see here test has been started but test failed. But a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So simply I will have to go with the home button. You can see here at the bottom of the phone there is an option of a home button. So simply I will have to click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So now you can see, my friend, my phone has been completely unlocked, and there is no any data loss of my phone. All the application which were in my phone when my phone was logged as it is as in my phone. Sorry. So if my video helped you to unlock your smartphone and your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will properly respond on your comment and your smartphone will be unlocked by the method what will I give you on my comment box. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.